I cannot believe it is almost Christmas, but it's not too late to pick up your last minute gifts. These are all affordable, unique, and for everyone on your list. For him, for her, for yourself, for teachers, gifts. Links, if you are interested in purchasing any of the items that I show, are going to be down in the description box. You can press the title of this video or go over to the comments and it will be the first pinned comment. And with all of that being said, the first gift idea that is a slam dunk, because not only is it a great gift, it brings the fun. And I recommend opening this as a family on Christmas Eve and playing it as a family. It is called Chameleon. This is officially my top favorite family board game of all time. It's not really a board game. It's more of just an interactive game where everyone except for one person knows the secret word, and you go around and everyone says one word to indicate that you know what the secret word is. One person doesn't know and has to try to blend in. I know it kind of sounds complicated. It's very easy once you get the hang of it, and it brings the laughs. We played this as a family on Thanksgiving and we were crying laughing. It's so much fun. It's easy to understand, not too many rules, and anyone can play as long as they can read. So even my 8-year-old son, Carter, he was able to play and he had so much fun with it. Next, this is the cutest little gift idea. I am getting this for both of my kids, teachers, and probably a couple of girlfriends of mine, because I'm not over it, you guys. Look at this. It is a mini Le Creuset little pot made by the brand. So it's really good quality ceramic mini pot with the little heart knob. And what you do, you get this with Maldon sea salt flakes. These are the superior salts, okay? It makes everything taste better. It's a finishing salt. Get them this as a little duo. This becomes the salt pinching container with the lid, and it's just adorable. I might even need one for myself. Up next, we have another mini item that is not only so adorable, but incredibly useful, and I think makes such an amazing, unique gift item. And it is this mini crock pot. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It's around the 35 to 40 price point. And this is the gift for anyone you know who works in an office, because they can heat up, warm up their lunch without having to use the office microwave. You can make your own heated lunch, soups, stews, leftovers. It takes about 45 minutes to warm up, but it's totally portable. And I'm getting this actually for my younger brother. He has food restrictions, so he always has to bring his own food everywhere. And I thought, no, he can warm it up himself. Next up is a gift item that I love so much. I am keeping it. I'm keeping this one for myself, and then I'll get another for a gift, because it is this One Touch tea maker. And it's all in one. Loose leaf teas are just better in general. They taste better. It keeps the integrity of the tea leaf, but also you don't have to deal with the plastics and the synthetics that are in the tea bags, but it's kind of a pain, right? So this is a self-contained portable glass tea maker. You put the loose leaf tea on the top, let the hot water steep, and then you press the button and it goes directly into the glass. She's gorgeous. She's functional, unique. And like I said, I need it for myself. And then think about pairing this with an either loose leaf tea sampler pack. I picked up this Nutty Almond Cream Premium Loose Leaf Tea. These two together, Merry Christmas to me. For the outdoor enthusiast, the plant lover, the gardener in your life. I'm getting this for my stepmom because she has talked about wanting a garden. This is a little Lush and Dew grow box. Okay, so you open it up, a bunch of different seedlings, and it comes with a whole booklet of how to plant them and care for them. And these are all the seeds you would need to start your own herb garden. So really useful herbs to have that you're actually going to use. And look at the kit with all the boxes. And it comes in the cute box, and again, has a whole guidebook with it. And then to take it up a notch, I am going to get her this cute little gardening set with the gloves and all the other accessories, so she could feel empowered, excited to start her own herb garden in the backyard. This is one that works equally well for a child or an adult. I originally thought for my kids, but I just tried it and it's so good and so fun. It is this mini photo printer. So you instantly take the picture and it prints it out. It is all in grayscale, but you don't need any ink. My kids are going to have a field day with this. I actually know they're going to fight over it, so I think I'll get a pink one for Capri. The quality is quite good, and Again, the kids could just have a field day, go nuts. It's so much more satisfying when you could take the picture and then have it printed out. This is under $40, comes in a bunch of colors. I even think this would be good for a Secret Santa gift. Such a cute gift item. This is so fun. The other big gift that I'm getting for my kids that I saw is kind of a new item. I had never seen this. It is a mini air hockey table. And what I like about this is that it's an interactive gift that they could play together. Now, this is a gift for him or her, but I did get this for my dad. And it is this stovetop espresso maker. They have different options with different artistic espresso glasses. So this is a Matisse. My dad loves art. He loves espresso. And this is Italian style. So you just put water in the bottom carafe, you put your espresso grounds in the middle, put it on the stovetop, and it will distribute your beautiful espresso right in here. Apparently, allegedly, it tastes really good, superior when you make it this way, the authentic Italian way. This is the gift for anyone in your life who is a student or works remotely, works from home, likes to go to coffee shops. It has changed my life. It's a portable laptop battery. So now I can work outside, I can work from cafes, and I don't have to stress about having a power outlet, because tell me why my laptop battery only lasts for an hour and a half. Now I can be out for hours and hours. And this is a special laptop charger. It does require the higher wattage to power a laptop. You can't just use a regular phone charger for your laptop. It is under $40. And it's one of those things, like, it doesn't seem sexy when you first open it, like, oh, wow, a power bank. No, this changed my life, and I think would make a great gift. Another thing, I have tried every set of headphones, in-ear and over-ear. At home, when I'm working out, when I really need to zone in, I like the over-ear, and I've tried the expensive one. Problem with all of them is they're too heavy and they hurt my head. This right here is the best pair. I had it in white for the past 4 years, but then I saw it came out in this adorable blush pink color, $35. And the battery lasts for 65 hours. I rarely have to charge this, but it's lightweight on my head and I can wear them for hours and it doesn't give me a headache. So if you or anyone you know has that niche problem, or you just want to get them a really cute headset, this was a top purchase gift item from my guide last year. These rechargeable hand warmers. I still think slam dunk, beautiful and functional, that look like jewels. They're $20. They come in a bunch of cute colors. Of course, I'm going to go with the blush pink. I'm very much into all things pink and girly right now. I don't know why, but it's making me happy. This also could be a good one for teachers' gifts. For some reason, that's always a tricky one because you want to get them something outside of just a mug or a gift card. Oh, and actually another one that could work for a teacher's gift, this face scrubber brush. I have had mine going on 3 years now, and it's one of those things. Nobody really has it. You use it to wash your face. Your face feels so much cleaner, so much softer. It's an everyday luxury. It's in the silicone, so it doesn't get all gross and dirty. It's much more sanitary. And it's something they'll use every day and they'll love it. And it's at that $35 price point. While we're on the topic, if you have not already taken my advice and got this set of 30 Christmas gift bags for $22, so cheaper than a regular gift bag, but also better and easier because it fully cinches at the top so no one could peek inside, and they're so pretty and festive and you don't have to stress about wrapping your gifts. This is a gift. It's a random, very functional item that men love. I can't explain it. The stone bath mat. It is sleek, functional. Obviously they're gonna use it every single day, and it feels like you are drying your feet on a warm rock in the sun. For the wine drinker, wine lover in your life, this is a wine aerator that goes directly on to your wine bottle, and it dispenses the wine neatly and aerates it at the same time. Really cool little gadget, and it's around the $30 price point. My top random gift pick for Christmas 2025 is the Nod Pod. I'm gonna mention it again because it is my top pick because of how much I love this thing. It is a weighted eye mask, and you put it on your eyes as you're about to fall asleep. And something about just the gentle pressure on your eyes, it's so soothing. And I think it's clever, it's beautiful, it's soft, it's lush, and it makes a great gift item. Another thing I got for my kids is this mini magnetic pip tiles. And I thought this would be great just to keep in the car, in the purse when we go to restaurants. Instead of your kid being on the iPad, they can play with these little mini magnet tiles and make rocket ships and castles. And the price point, $15 for them. And then last, I think getting them a matcha kit. You can get this whole ceramic set. And this is only $15. And then get them a little carton of matcha if they're more of a matcha drinker. Teacher's gift idea or Secret Santa for a holiday Christmas gift party. The price is right and it's so cute. Links, if you are interested in purchasing any of the items that I show, are going to be down in the description box. You can press the title of this video or go over to the comments and it will be the first pinned comment. If you want even more Christmas gift ideas, I will have my other video right here on the screen. So watch that next if you want even more ideas, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.